Thinking of coming to Punta Gorda and want to get out on the water but don't have a boat? You're in luck. It's very easy. Yo, I'm Adrienne, longtime Florida realtor, and I'm here to help you get your Florida life. Happy Wednesday, everyone. New videos come out every Wednesday on this channel. Please subscribe to stay updated. Also, if you want to talk real estate with me, no matter if you're ready to buy or sell or years from starting to think about it, you can book a call or Zoom by clicking the link in the description. Punta Gorda is famous for its great boating. Historically, Punta Gorda was a commercial fishing village in the early 1900s. People still come here to fish and boat, but what if you're visiting or if you live here and you don't have a boat? You can still get on a boat pretty easily. I'm going to put links to all of the things I mentioned today in the description. If you've taken any of these tours, used these services, or if I've left any great boating info out, please let me know and let everyone else know in the comments below. Let's start with the big one. If you want to take a boat tour around Charlotte Harbor, I recommend Kingfisher Fleets. They are located in Fisherman's Village and have been around as long as I can remember. They do all kinds of different trips, from day trips down to Cabbage Key, which I highly recommend. It's a beautiful spot. They'll also do day trips to Boca Grande. They do sunset cruises at Christmas. They do canal cruises. We have all the canals lit up. It's beautiful. You can even book a private tour. I've been on their boats many times for all kinds of different events, and it's always well run and a good time. Next, we have Wilderness Boat Tours. Captain Al will take you down the Peace River. The Peace River is gorgeous. You can see a ton of wildlife, and it is really a different experience than being out on the harbor. You should definitely check it out. Now, as I said, Punta Gorda is and always has been a huge fishing town. So if you want to fish, we have charters that will set you up and get you out on the water. I am going to tell you a little secret that you can't tell anyone because I will be ostracized. I don't really like to fish personally. I'm fine with other people fishing while I drink a margarita and read my book. Point is, I have personally never taken either of these fishing charters, but I do hear good things from a lot of people who do like to talk about bait and lures and that kind of stuff. First, there is High Tide Fishing. He offers offshore tours and tarpon tours. Tarpons are a sport fish around here that some people love to fish for. It was also my high school mascot. That's how big it is around here. Then there's Punta Gorda Fly Fishing Charters. He specializes in saltwater fly fishing in the mangroves, oyster bars, and grass flats. I hear great things, and it is a little different from what I hear about people typically doing. So if you go, please let me know, and let me know what you think. It's always good for me to get your experience so I can pass it along, because again, it's probably not what I'm going to do, but now, if you want to experience real Florida, you can take an airboat tour with Peace River Charters. They are very fun. They are only launching from their Arcadia location right now, which is about 30 minutes from downtown Punta Gorda. Now, normally they launch from something called the Navigator Bar and Grill. The Navigator is closed for repairs right now. I will keep you posted when it opens, because going to take an airboat tour and then having lunch at the Navigator is graduate level Florida. It is a great day. I don't know if I recommend it if you're coming like straight from a big city to go straight to the Navigator and have an airboat tour. You might need to acclimate to Florida for a few days. It's a totally different, very local experience. Finally, let's talk about little boats. There are several kayak and paddleboard rentals around, but one of my favorites to go to is in Boca Grande, about 40 minutes from downtown. Go to Glass Bottom Rentals. You'll see lots of dolphins and manatees. You'll love it. Thanks for watching. I hope you get out on the water and have some fun.